After spending a year in Sri Lanka, I've discovered the vibrant flavours of its cuisine and its deep connection to the land, history and community. Each dish tells a story, and living amongst locals, attending traditional festivals and sharing meals with families has enriched my appreciation of the culinary art. This immense experience has allowed me not just to learn about the food itself, but about the cultural significance behind each meal. I hope my experience can be passed on to you. Please enjoy. I just want to show you some regular or common spices for Sri Lankan cooking. So let's take a look at the top there. We've got some crushed chili, turmeric, chili powder, gorica. Gorica is a dried fruit, a little bit like tamarind. That's used as a souring kind of agent. Good for chicken and meat, and especially for fish. Goes in lots of curries. Cloves, mustard seeds, fenugreek or methi seeds, cinnamon. Of course, cinnamon in Sri Lanka is grown here. It's absolutely wonderful. Rampa or pandan leaves, curry leaves, and then curry powders. Very common. You get a light and a roasted. The roasted kind of goes in a little bit near the end usually. It's got a lovely, wonderful, just roasted flavour to it. And the common one there is the kind of base. But yeah, these are kind of not all the spices used in Sri Lanka, but very, very common. The most kind of common ones, I would say. Okay, so we're going to start this beautiful and really simple potato curry. There's nothing to it, and it really, really is absolutely delicious. Coconut base, of course. So we're going to start in our pan with 2 or 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. We're on an above medium heat at this stage. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to drop in pandan leaves and curry leaves. Fresh chili to taste, and about 1 cup of sliced onion. Some cinnamon and about a tablespoon of garlic. We're now going to give this a mix. We're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. We need to soften those onions down. Beautiful stuff. So next up, we're going to grab our potatoes. You can see how I've cut those. I've peeled them, washed them, and got them there. There's just over 2 cups in total. Let's spin them around here again. This is going to take about 5 minutes now. I want to kind of give them a nice head start before we add in any extra ingredients. So still pretty hard, these potatoes, but they're on their way. We're going to add some salt to taste. We're going to add chili powder, about a tablespoon. Some unroasted curry powder, 2 teaspoons, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Again, a nice little mix on this. We're very, very nearly there. What we do next is we add coconut milk to this. Then we lower the heat, and then we cook this until the potatoes are nice and tender. So I've got about 2, maybe 2.5 cups of coconut milk there. Like I say, just go now, maybe for 8 or 9 minutes on a kind of just above a simmer, not a simmer, but above a simmer. Let that go. Job done. This is absolutely wonderful.